les gars, aujourd'hui nouvelle vidéo. Comme vous le voyez, on a de la chance dans le sud, il fait relativement beau. Alors on va aller prendre la bécane, on va appeler les copains et on va profiter. Je vais m'équiper et je vous emmène avec moi.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone, I'm losing control but I can't let it go. Cause I'm trying to get more and I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining. All of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
La moto elle est vraiment genre...
And they working a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below.
Putain mec. Putain yes. On avait manqué hein.
I'll be stacking up, got no time for niggas hating low, we backing up. Keep that clean and watch some Dayton's cruising down the street. Hear my car before it's coming, fuck the police. Windows down, I'm smoking something in my bitch bag. She gon' ride if shit get crazy, goons masked up. They gon' slide, you tried to play me since a young nigga. Kept that pack up in the telly since a young nigga. Been had tats like Machiavelli, shoot for fun, nigga. My niggas bust, you better run, nigga. King of fucking everything. Young rich nigga smoking weed when I wanna. 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 When I touch down, had that back. You fucking with me, fuck the bitch once. She talking about she love with me. Let her smoke weed, drink champagne, do drugs with me. We go out of town, in a red towel, do clubs with me. What you niggas think? Got more bank and more rank. Smoking weed with some bitches in the club who don't drink. Talking about they get money, they got expensive taste. So I put it in her mouth and sent them both on their way. I'll be there for one night, don't give a fuck if I stay. Spent a couple $100,000 in a couple of days. Smoke a pound in my suite and then come up with a play. Bitch came over to my crib and had a comfortable stay. She feeling my car, she feeling my chain. She think I'm a star, I'm feeling the same. I take her abroad, I fuck her insane. I'm switching the broads, I'm killing the game. Long range, king of fucking everything.
Oh non, oh non, oh non, pas comme ça. Oh non. Oh non. Quoi? Bah ça va, toi t'as rien déjà, c'est bien.
Oh mais c'est fait pour ça mec, c'est Kevlar.
Non, c'est pas fait pour ça. Ah ouais, c'est Kevlar. Quoi? Ah bah mais Kevlar c'est de la merde hein. Là c'est trouvé.
Ouais non mais c'est à cause du dessous qui est fait pour ça.
Ah.